My name is Dr. Motte. I come from Berlin. I'm based in Berlin. I'm a disc jockey and music producer. I'm a DJ since 35 years. I started DJing in 1985. In 1988, in September, I did the first acid house party in Berlin. And then in 1989, I had a little idea, why not set up a street party as a demonstration? And it became very big and famous. And in 1999, we have had 1.5 million people dancing in the street. And it is well known under the name Love Parade. And I did also the anthems together with Westbam, and it became very, very famous. And it's a huge support for electronic music on the whole planet.
My name is Namito. I'm originally from Iran, but came to West Berlin in 1985 and started DJing in 1989, in November actually, when the wall came down. I started in 1989 with what was back in the days disco music, and from 1992 I started to go for techno only, and since then I've traveled all over the world, all continents, and played over 50 countries with my music.
I'm Rani Sharma, and I'm from India basically. And I've been living between New Delhi and Berlin, and now I moved to Bodo. 26 years, bit too short. That is my career. I've been doing it for 26 years as a DJ, as a music producer, sound consultant, nightclub owner, and almost everywhere except Africa so far. I don't think I'm the only Indian now, but I was the first one to play, and I'm the only one who was rated as top 10 DJs of the world by Love Parade.
Je suis Alex Garcia, donc je suis un artiste techno de Bordeaux. Je viens du milieu rock, plus ça à l'origine quoi. Et je me suis remis à faire la techno il y a 5 ans, et donc j'ai commencé à travailler assez dur. Et j'ai commencé à jouer rapidement dans plein d'endroits, et en dehors de Bordeaux, un peu partout, quoi, même en Europe et tout ça. Donc je continue mon petit bout de chemin. Voilà, je viens de signer une agence de booking qui s'appelle We Are Rave de David Torres, et voilà, donc c'est cool. Du coup, les Berlinois, ça fait plaisir de jouer avec eux. Voilà, plus c'est des grosses pointures. Donc moi du coup je fais un warm-up, donc je vais jouer plus lentement en fait que d'habitude pour m'adapter. Donc ouais, c'est cool de jouer avec ces mecs-là, parce que c'est des grosses pointures quoi. Et puis ils ont des choses à m'apporter aussi, donc c'est cool.
You ready to ask questions?
Oh yeah!
Whoa. Are you ready to ask questions?
Yeah!
I really liked the masterclass today. Namito was talking about how he produces music and his way of doing music, and I was talking about my history, what is my background and stuff like that, and I really liked the interaction at the end with the people at the masterclass. We were doing music together, and I really liked it very much.
You guys know that plug-in? It's traditionally difficult. So what you got for us? You got something? What's the meaning of the song? You gonna do it in French or
just freestyle, you know? Je suis à l'aise, blaise, je peux m'asseoir sur la chaise. Ok mon gars, je suis dans la cadence. Je peux même faire des petites pas de danse. Ouais, je peux le faire tranquillement. Pas de problème, Maxio, ma aisément. Ok cousin, je suis trop élégant. Avec les meufs, tiens ma référence. Yeah.
Oh, it was really nice. For me, I think it was more inspiring to see the students participating, firstly, and also speaking English. I think Leroy was great, and the students were great in the end when they were just jamming. They were not shy. They were really creative, and I think that created a whole very good inspiration, it created a very good moment. So yeah, you can see the future is bright in music.